Hello everyone, my name is Faith Abraham. I'm an English native speaker and a certified tutor by the London Teachers Training College. I've been teaching professionally for about 5 years now, during which I've taught English as a subject in its various aspects, such as grammar, listening, writing, reading, and speaking, and I've also prepared students for TOEFL and IELTS exams. I work with students of different levels, from beginner to proficiency, and those in need of professional English used in different spheres of life and work, such as business and law. One thing I've discovered during the course of my teaching career is that I love working with kids. So, you can bring them to me as a friend if you want them to grow and enjoy the learning process. I'm goal-driven and result-oriented, therefore, our lessons will be structured based on your needs. I will guide and assist you on every step of the way while assessing your progress. I'm a very friendly and open-minded person who is open to making new friends and learning from his students as well. I have knowledge of other languages such as Russian, German, French, and Ukrainian, which will be an added advantage to those of you who know any of these languages. So, should you be willing to have lessons with me, I'll be happy to meet you and help you achieve your goals. Looking forward to seeing you. А теперь на русском языке. Здравствуйте всем. Меня зовут Faith Abraham. Я репетитор по английскому языку, сертифицированный Лондонским колледжем для преподавателей, а также носитель языка. Мой опыт репетиторства составляет на данный момент 5 лет. Я успешно работаю со студентами разных уровней, с начинающего до продвинутого, и разных профессий, особенно юридических и бизнес-профессий. Я также работаю с детьми и подготавливаю студентам к разным экзаменам, в том числе IELTS и TOEFL. Наша учебная программа будет построена на основе ваших потребностей. Так что, если вы хотите со мной обучаться, то записывайтесь, и мы начнем. Спасибо.